All right, so it's all here?
Yeah, it's all here.
Yeah, okay, it's all here. How much? You said 2, right?
3.
3?
Yeah, 3.
I thought we agreed on 2.
No, 3.
I mean, it's worth it. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right.
It's all here.
So we take, what's up, baby girl? Dang, well, you got all of, look what mommy hustled for you. Why are you so nervous? Yeah, she got, dang, bro, you rich, man. Today, I want to just show you guys what we did purchase for the Z, because, yeah, like, unintentionally, I started making a fake Nismo, a Fismo. I mean, I have the front bumper already. Still love that thing. Still love it. Still looks so damn good. I have the rear bumper in the garage. I don't really feel like going to grab it, but why are you carrying sticks?
Because they were in the floor.
Okay, so today we picked up some brakes. Unfortunately, my Z was the base touring model, so yeah, I got like all the leather and stuff that I don't really care for, and heated seats that I'm not really, well, we use the heated seats. Not gonna lie, like nothing like warming your butt cheeks, you know?
It feels nice.
It does. All right, we got that. Like, I'm not trying to make it sound like getting a base model is all that bad, but the one thing I don't like about this car, especially with the Nismo kit, because I already have the rear, just needs to get painted, and the front's on. Dude, ew. I got Corolla brakes on my Z right now. Your boy was able to pick up some new ones. I don't have them outside because I need to pick a color and paint them, which if you guys aren't already subscribed, make sure you guys already subscribe. Join the Noir gang. We give away stuffed animals and a peep. We can sell you for like 2 chickens and a camel.
Oh my god.
Yeah. But if you guys like the video so far, just make sure you like and subscribe. Join the Noir gang family. Kind of put them here in the, oh, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to give you that ghetto lighting. But we got some sport brakes. Finally. Let's head back outside. But yeah, so I got the sport brakes. I needed the bigger brake kit. I wanted just for the aesthetics, to be honest. I don't really care about the stopping power or any of that, or anything that would be, I'm gonna be just straight up honest with you. I just didn't like how the base brakes look. To me, they just look so they're just gross. They're just really, really ugly looking brakes. And I feel like with the Nismo side skirts, rear and front bumper, and when you're on wheels like I don't know, 6-spoke like those, it's just so noticeable and so ugly. We're changing that. I got the rotors in the garage as well too. I'm not sure if I already said that, but whatever, we're gonna move forward. But yeah, one thing I really want to just, you know, ask you guys, like, what color should be painted? I'm leaning towards yellow. What color? Why did you yell it and then say it softly? What, lime green? Why lime green?
It's nice color.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, your nails can match the car. I'm kind of cool with lime green. I like that idea. So maybe lime green. Maybe I don't want to do red because I feel like everybody does red, and I don't know, it's just such a overplayed color. But yeah, I'm thinking yellow, saying lime green. I don't know, purple, but like lavender would be sick because it's different. And then also the twist that I'm adding to the brake, like with the colors, I think it's gonna be tight. Like, I don't know, I think the Z's gonna look awesome, man. So I can't wait. And then after this, I mean, to be honest, once the Nismo body kits are painted, I guess the next step is just wrapping the car, right?
That'd be nice.
What do you mean?
I said
yeah! What the? So now we're gonna head towards a wrap, but I mean the process of making the Fismo, you know, like, the thing that's left, like I said, is just putting on the body kits, the brake, calipers, and rotors. And I'm gonna order the stainless lines from Z1 because that's something I really do need. I'm also changing up like the little combination to make it, I guess, a little bit more effective, but and with .4 brake fluid instead of 3, which I'm already running now. But I don't know, I think like if I want to have the car built that if, you know, I want to go on track, I can, but I'm kind of just like now leaning more towards like doing a lot of exterior modifications, because if you guys see what I have in my shopping cart, but I have just my heart, it's hard for me to commit to it. If you guys see it, you guys will think it's sick. My bank account won't, but I'm just really happy. Ooh, look, oh my god, dude, I just love my car, man, bro. My God, you ever just like get near your car and you just that's not okay on YouTube. I'm sorry guys, but yeah man, like I'm just super hyped. If you guys are excited, just make sure, like I said, hit that like button because it really helps the channel grow. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. I really appreciate that. And yeah, just subscribe. Like it's that simple. The more that obviously we grow, then the more I can do, and I don't know, like just more fun. But also, oh, let me point this out too. If you live in South Florida, or I don't know, if you're just kind of ballsy to make the trip, we're doing a trip, like I guess like a ride out from Miami Kendall to Key West. So everybody's invited. It's not necessarily just Z's. I do want to see a lot of Z's and G's and bro, how can I forget the name of the Infinities, the ones that came out, the ones that we want, the Qs. The Qs, the Q50s, 60s. I mean, all you guys are invited. Mustangs. I mean, there's really too many of them out here, but you guys are more than welcome to ride along, just in the back. We don't want to get hit. The ride along is going to be sick. It's June 1st. I'm leaving at 8 in the morning. We'll go to Key West. I don't know how long it takes. We're going to get rollers, shoot video, just have fun, you know. And then after that is the meet on June 6th, and that one's in Kendall, like right by the Home Depot. I think it's 127th Avenue or something like that. Really easy location to find. The last one was lit. I'm trying to get a food truck out there, some music, so that way it's a little bit more engaging, and I don't know, and that's pretty much it. But if you guys are interested, just follow me on Instagram. I'll put my page right here because there's actually a lot of things I post on there, like polls and all that, like, and you guys can actually get, whenever I buy new mods, before I put them on, I usually put them on IG and spoil it. So if you guys like the video, like I said, like and subscribe. Thank you guys for making it this far, and purple penguins in my butthole. Bye.